viewers, it's Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another exciting video about the crypto space and the usage of the blockchain in order to create decentralized finance applications. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. I've got my kitty here and I'm going to talk to you guys about one of the very first usages of the Ethereum platform to create a game that actually used smart contracts. So let's read a little bit about it and then we're going to delve into it and talk about how it actually works. The game was called Cryptokitties, and Cryptokitties basically got really big somewhere around 2019. Let's look at this article. Cryptokitties are still a thing, and here's why. It says Cryptokitties are attracting serious money. This article was written on June 25th, 2019. It says OpenSea, a crypto goods store that enables sales and exchanges of Cryptokitties, yesterday announced a seed equity fund of $2 million. The list of investors comprises marquee names from Silicon Valley and crypto investing, including Peter Thiel's Founders Fund, Coinbase Ventures, and Blockchain Capital. According to Devin Finzer, co-founder of the marketplace, OpenSea has already racked up about $500,000 in trading volume. He attributes its success to the fact that the game Cryptokitties was the first mainstream use case of Ethereum's blockchain. I'm going to say that again. Let's read that again. Cryptokitties was the first mainstream use case of Ethereum's blockchain. The game uses Ethereum's smart contracts to enable trades between owners of kitties. Okay? So Cryptokitties first shot into the limelight in November of 2018, I guess, after traffic from its users flooded Ethereum's blockchain. The game involves breeding of digital cats to generate a progeny that become valued collectibles. Kitties are purchased using Ether, Ethereum's native token. According to some estimates, the game had 1.5 million users who were responsible for $40 million worth of transactions on its platform. Individual Cryptokitties have sold for more than $300,000 a piece. And some say, as of this writing, the average sale price of a Cryptokitty was $65.76. This is not fiction, folks. This is not fiction. Okay? So this basically proves out the use case of utilizing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain to actually create a game. And if you want to know what it kind of looks like, let's go over here and see if we can go and find Cryptokitties. We're going to go find, there it is, the Cryptokitties game. Let's take a look at it real quick and see what we got. This is the Cryptokitties game. Okay, now what I want you to really pay attention to here, and I'm going to slide this browser down just a hair so you can see what's going on here. You see the little wolf up there in the upper right hand corner. This is MetaMask. Okay, and basically I have this particular page connected to a test net. So we're not actually connected to a real Ethereum net. But let's say that we did connect to a real Ethereum mainnet. We would actually be able to conduct a real transaction and actually start collecting kitties. And in this game, you literally go through, you pick out different cats and you breed them. And then it gets to a point where if you want a certain cat and you see something that you want, or if you see one you want to breed to, you end up having to possibly give up some ether to make that happen. It's as simple as that. This is the essence of Cryptokitties, and this is a very unique usage of this. And the ownership of these kitties, if you will, is tracked on the blockchain. And you can transfer who owns what kitty on the blockchain. They're using the Ethereum blockchain for this. So I want to make this clear. You don't have to use the Ethereum blockchain. It's all about the smart contracts. And these smart contracts, in essence, are nothing more than programs that are written in specialized languages, and that allow you to leverage the blockchain's ability to store data and information and actually do actual financial transaction if necessary to effect a possible transaction that results in possibly getting a graphic or getting a kitty or making something else happen. You could imagine this could be utilized over and over and over again. Using the smart contracts and the blockchain together to basically cause a transaction that makes something happen. That's what a smart contract is. We're going to make something happen, whether it's a game or the purchase of a good or service. This was one of the very first times that happened. What if we were to actually go over to the Tezos website and take a look at their capabilities and go inside of their developer portal and then go down and just take a look at deploy and interact with a digital asset token. Okay, so they've got some information here. Let's step back one. I want to step back one. Let's go here and try the Smart Pi in a browser. Well, what is Smart Pi? Smart Pi is an integrated development environment that would allow you to write some code and create a smart contract. And strangely enough, one of the templates for a smart contract that they have is this mini kitties. And if you click on the mini kitties, it says right here that mini kitties, this small example is loosely inspired by Cryptokitties. So let's get down to business and talk about what's going on here. What's going on here is someone has written a smart contract that is loosely based, I guess, on the Cryptokitties game that we just looked at. So if we were to copy this, or they do have a method for you to import this, we're going to import this into Smart Pi, which is their integrated development environment, one of the ones they have stacked on top of the Tezos platform. Okay, and we're going to run this code. Shows you where to run it. It imports this smart contract on the left. We're going to run it. And what it's going to show us doesn't really look like Cryptokitties, but you could actually see how it could be used to create something like Cryptokitties. So let's take a look at this. It says Creator Kitties. We've run this, and we can see here that what it created was something that basically shows us the key, the auction name, the borrow price, generation, hatching, is new, kitty ID, owner, and price. These are all the baseline things that we would have underneath one of these Cryptokitties. Okay? When we decide that we want to, let's say we went here. And let's say, okay, here's one where you could buy it. I'm not paying $35,000 for some kitty. Okay? It's telling us the owner here. Look at this. You can click on the owner. But there's an area inside of Cryptokitties where you can actually breed kittens. And you basically pick 2 kittens and you breed them and another one comes up. Well, if we were to look here at this Cryptokitties code, that's the kind of thing that would be written on the blockchain here. What was the price of it? Who's the owner of it? What's the ID, the name of that kitty, the hatching, whether it was hatched or not, when it was generated. These are data items specifying all the parameters that basically show you when this kitty was born, what it was, what's the name of it, how much it's going to cost, and who owns the kitty. So this is just to give you an idea of, you know, in some of the videos that I've said that we're going to get a little bit more technical on this channel than some of the other cryptocurrency channels. We want to understand how they're using the blockchain. Imagine more games like Cryptokitties. Imagine a game like Mafia Wars could possibly be written utilizing smart contracts to effect the transactions underneath. If you guys remember the great Mafia Wars by Zynga. What if this was powered by some type of Ethereum? This is the future, guys. This is what the Web 3.0 and the integration of blockchain technology and smart contracts is going to mean. All those games, those traditional games on Facebook and what have you, could possibly be remade and powered by cryptocurrency. Whether it be Tezos, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Redcoin, what have you, any of the ones in the top 10. There is a possibility that if you can write a smart contract on their blockchain, or a Polkadot possibly, your own custom blockchain, these are the decentralized finance applications of the future. Applications meaning games or possible services or applications that exchange currency, digital currency for goods and services. So if you found this video interesting, useful, and it gave you some insight into what's coming, please like and subscribe. I thank you for taking the time out to take a look at this, and I hope this gave you a little bit more insight into what's really going on underneath the hood for smart contracts and the integration of blockchain technology under the future of the internet. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.